little girl I've ever met, I swear! Can't you just chill out and be a normal girl? I mean, what kind of girl does the things you do? Well, I've had enough. No more of these games, got it? Now I'm leaving, and I don't want you following me, or chasing me, or doing anything to me. But wait! Just go home. Kiki kid ate up my whole afternoon, practically. Of course, all I really missed was working at the cafe. Wait a minute. I hear her fluttering behind me. She's still following me. Kiki, for the last time! Okay, that's a bird. So, yeah.
He doesn't want anything to do with me.
Hello there.
Huh? Who are you?
I am the person who will get you ears.
They won't look like yours, will they?
Actually, I caught your act this afternoon, and I like your spirit. That is to say, I like your spirit. Oh, I'll just cut to the chase. I'm going to steal your spirit from my Predacite army.
Yes, ma'am.
Can somebody take my order?
Just a minute. Zoe, is anything wrong? You're acting weirder than usual.
What are you talking about, Kiki? I don't have a crush on anybody.
I'd like to order.
Ma'am.
I didn't say anything about a crush.
Whatever it is, it's affecting her work. She came in late for her shift and now all her tables are complaining. I mean, really.
Yeah, there's nothing more annoying than when someone doesn't pull their own weight.
Bridget! You weren't referring to me with that remark by any chance, were you?
I didn't mean it. I swear I'll never say anything about you and how you never do any work
Don't
again.
forget, folks, tipping is generally 20%.
Hey,
Where are you going with our drink?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to do my job. That's another thing.
Excuse me, girls.
My shift last
Allow me to present the latest addition to the Mew Mew crew.
Renee!
Wesley, I can't believe you're gonna make Renee Roberts work at Cafe Mew Mew.
Zoe? Looks like trouble in paradise. Maybe Romeo's getting wise to Zoe's little cat routine. That sure would put a damper on things, wouldn't it? Romeo, I think you need to get a grip on reality.
Hey, Zoe!
Huh?
Why is your face all red?
It's not, it's just that, Elliot?
Huh? Are you hot? Your face is all red.
No, it's not, we have a cafe to open.
Turn down the AC.